Hello my joyous melody, the apple of my eyes, my beautiful sunshine. Jesus here. How are you doing my heart? Angel, I hope you are doing okay. I just want you to know that I love you so much from my heart. Please know that you mean so much to me. You have a permanent place in my heart that nothing and no one can ever take, because you are special to me. And I have written your name on the palm of my hand, so don't compare yourself with anyone else. Just know I have a special purpose for you. And don't look down on yourself, because you are special and my perfect creation. And the plans I have for you are of good and not evil, to give you a hope, future, and expected end. So trust my design for you and keep on being your wonderful self. And in time you'll understand why I made you who you are, and see yourself through my eyes, as the beautiful creation I see you as. You're made so intricately and wonderfully, and I love you so much. I'm sending you flowers and hugs of hope, peace, joy, and love. Your father and love, Jesus.